Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 INFINITI Q50 all-wheel drive premium. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.7 V6 pushing out 328 horsepower and 269 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch wheels, 3.7 badging on the fender, beige interior, sunroof, come around back, Q50 badging, opening up the tailgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, keyless entry, illuminated door sills, power windows, power seats, got our steering wheel controls, navigation, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, 7-speed automatic transmission. We got our different driving modes. This INFINITI has 80,769 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Q50 premium all-wheel drive, check out feldmanimports.com.